Yes, hello, lovers of Ford. This is a Femtopford workshop, and this Ford Expedition 2006, and this Ford Edge 2013, this Ford Tyros 2011, this Ford Escape 2014. Yes, and so on. Okay, Femtopford workshop. Okay, so need to bring to our cognizance, we Ford lovers, some important factors in this this Explorer 2013 and this Ford Edge 2008, this what they call it, Ford Edge 2014, and this Ford Edge 2017, and Ford Edge 2015. Now, I need to mention three vehicles. Ford Edge from 2015 upward, then Explorer from 2011 upward are electronic steering. Please, lovers of Ford, during this time around, I'm sorry about the noise, we are in the workshop. During this time, rainy season, we need to let our mechanic know that they should always